Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and rather than have to figure out how coarse that I need my cold brew beans, I wanted to try out this awesome cold brew. This is from San Francisco Bay Coffee, and I am super impressed with the beans, with the taste that it gives me in my cold brew coffee, and they're ground exactly like you need to make that. This bag comes with a generous 1.75 pounds of cold brew coarse coffee grounds. The listing says that it's a lighter roast, but I have to say, using it in my cold brew maker, it has a really deep and lush flavor to it. You really can feel the different notes and flavors in the coffee once you have it brewed. I love that the consistency of this is set up so perfectly for brewing cold brew. You can see those coarse beans in my hand. They look like they are absolutely ready and craving water so that they can make you the perfect cup of coffee. Right when you open the bag, you'll notice that these absolutely smell wonderful. And when you taste that cup of coffee that it gives you, you will be even more impressed. But that's just my point of view.